When I decided to come to Sage, it was my personal decision, not my parents'. I was really looking for opportunities. I wanted to be in an environment where I felt like I could talk to people, everyone's very school-focused in a good way. I just wanted to be somewhere where I felt like I could be around people that shared similar interests to me. You know, looking back, I think that it was very much the right decision, and it was very important, the choices I've made in going here, because I wouldn't have had the same opportunities. I couldn't have met such an eclectic group of people and such an accomplished group of parents that gave me connections into the world that I want to be in. It's definitely led me to make better decisions for myself. I think it's pushed me a lot farther than I would have gone. Not that it's a hugely competitive environment, but the people around you are doing well, and so no matter who you are, you feel that you need to be your best self, which I think is a good thing. I became interested in criminal psychology. I narrowed in on that path pretty quickly. I was really interested in debate, which turned into an interest in law, and I ended up pretty quickly in high school working at the district attorney's office in Long Beach. So down the road, as I took classes like forensics and I took classes like psychology, I was able to sort of combine all my interests, and as strange as it is, there is a job called criminal psychology. So for me, that's the perfect combination of everything that I'm passionate about and everything that I think would make a great career for me.